Ni hao, food lovers. Welcome back to our journey through the diverse and flavorful world of Chinese cuisine. Today, we're delving into the fascinating story of Beggar's chicken. But before we uncover its secrets, let's explore some lesser-known facts about this iconic dish. While the exact origins of Beggar's chicken are shrouded in legend, historians believe that the dish dates back to the Ming Dynasty, 1368-1644. During this time, it was common for peasants and beggars to cook food using simple and improvised methods, leading to the creation of innovative dishes like Beggar's chicken. One of the defining features of Beggar's chicken is its clay baking technique. The chicken is first marinated with a flavorful mixture of spices and seasonings before being wrapped in lotus leaves. The lotus-wrapped chicken is then coated with a layer of clay, which helps to seal in moisture and flavor during the cooking process. As the chicken bakes, the clay hardens into a protective shell, resulting in a tender and juicy meat with a deliciously smoky aroma. In Chinese culture, Beggar's chicken is often associated with prosperity and good fortune. Its rich and flavorful taste makes it a popular choice for festive occasions and celebrations, where it's served as a symbol of abundance and prosperity. By sharing Beggar's chicken with friends and family, people hope to usher in a new year filled with blessings and happiness. While the traditional method of cooking Beggar's chicken remains popular, chefs and home cooks have also developed creative interpretations of the dish. Some variations include substituting chicken with other meats such as duck or pork, or adding additional ingredients like mushrooms, chestnuts, and herbs to enhance the flavor profile. These modern twists on a classic dish allow for endless experimentation and culinary innovation. Beggar's chicken is steeped in folklore and legends, with stories passed down through generations. One legend tells of a beggar who, after roasting a chicken in clay, presented it to an emperor as a gift. The emperor was so impressed by the dish that he declared it fit for royalty, thus elevating Beggar's chicken to a status of culinary excellence. One unique aspect of Beggar's chicken is the use of lotus leaves in its preparation. Beyond simply providing a wrapper, the lotus leaves impart a subtle fragrance and flavor to the chicken as it cooks, enhancing its overall taste and aroma. This infusion of lotus leaf essence adds an extra layer of complexity to the dish, elevating it to new heights of culinary delight. Another interesting fact about Beggar's chicken is the slow cooking process it undergoes. Traditionally, the chicken is roasted slowly over a low flame or buried in hot ash, allowing it to cook slowly and evenly. This slow cooking method helps to tenderize the meat and infuse it with the rich flavors of the marinade and lotus leaves, resulting in a succulent and flavorful dish that's worth the wait. While Beggar's chicken is often celebrated for its delicious taste and cultural significance, it also offers several health benefits. The use of lean chicken meat provides a good source of protein while minimizing excess fat. Additionally, the combination of spices and herbs used in the marinade can have various health-promoting properties, such as anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, making Beggar's chicken not only a treat for the taste buds but also a nourishing option for the body. Beggar's chicken is more than just a culinary delight, it also carries symbolic significance. The dish's humble origins and simple preparation methods reflect the virtues of humility and resourcefulness. By transforming basic ingredients into a delicious and satisfying meal, Beggar's chicken reminds us that great things can come from humble beginnings and that true culinary mastery lies in creativity and ingenuity. While Beggar's chicken is deeply rooted in Chinese culinary tradition, its influence has spread far beyond the borders of China. In recent years, the dish has gained popularity in other parts of the world, thanks to its unique flavor profile and intriguing cooking method. Today, you can find variations of Beggar's chicken in restaurants and home kitchens around the globe, showcasing the universal appeal of this timeless dish. Beggar's chicken has not only evolved over time but has also adapted to different cultural contexts. In regions outside of China, chefs and home cooks have put their own spin on the dish by incorporating local ingredients and cooking techniques. These adaptations have resulted in a diverse array of interpretations, each reflecting the unique culinary traditions and flavors of its respective region. And there you have it, Beggar's chicken, a dish steeped in history, tradition, and flavor. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the fascinating story behind this iconic Chinese dish. Now, it's time to experience its delicious taste for yourself. Until next time, happy cooking and Jian Kong! Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.